That is the 5 budgeting strategies that we find the best and that we would like to share with you today. If you don't already have a budgeting strategy which you follow, then we hope we have inspired you to follow one of these, so you can get closer to making your goals come true. For ourselves, we like to use the pay yourself first budget, as we find it the easiest, but some of us are also so good at saving money that we actually have multiple other cigar boxes to allow ourselves to spend the money instead of saving them. As we believe that even though we can reach our goals faster, then it should also be an enjoyable ride on the way to it. Please share below what kind of budget you like the most and why you choose to use it, as we then can help to inspire each other to a better personal finance, as some might have the same motivations as yourself. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help people with personal finance, so if you're interested in more topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when we release a new video which might help you on your journey.